Hello everyone, I'm Mike Sandoval with Remax Gold and I'm at 5967 Cortes Court in the Cortes Estates, a brand new subdivision that's currently being built. And behind me is a brand new half-plex that offers some great amenities at an amazing price. Without further ado, come take a tour with me. Now that's a great home. In addition to this home, we also have two other homes that are currently available, one at 1,600 square feet and 2,100 square feet. In addition to those, we have two other lots that are currently being built on and will be ready in the next 6 months. So we have everything that you're looking for. When you're ready to take a tour with me, please reach out to me anytime at 916-798-9417. Mike Sandoval with Remax Gold, and I'll catch you next time.